How to get a free trial of ArcGIS Pro. Esri offers a 21-day free trial of ArcGIS Pro, allowing users to explore its comprehensive GIS capabilities. Here's how to access and utilize the trial. Step 1. Sign up for the free trial. Visit the ArcGIS Pro trial page. Navigate to the official Esri website and locate the ArcGIS Pro trial section. Complete the registration form, provide your business or government email address. Fill in the required personal and organizational information. Submit the form. After submission, you'll receive an activation email from Esri. Step 2. Activate your trial. Open the activation email. Look for an email from the ArcGIS team containing your activation link. Click the activation link. This will activate your ArcGIS online subscription, essential for using ArcGIS Pro. Step 3. Download and install ArcGIS Pro. Sign in to your ArcGIS online account. Use the credentials created during activation. Access the download option. Navigate to the My Settings section. Click on the Licenses tab. Download ArcGIS Pro. Select the appropriate version for your system and initiate the download. Install the software. Run the installer and follow the on-screen instructions. Step 4. Assign licenses. Sign in to ArcGIS Online. Use your administrator credentials. Assign licenses. Go to the Organization tab. Select Manage Licenses. Assign the ArcGIS Pro license to your user account. Step 5. Launch and sign in to ArcGIS Pro. Open ArcGIS Pro. After installation, launch the application. Sign in, enter your ArcGIS Online credentials to access the software. By following these steps, you can effectively utilize the 21-day free trial of ArcGIS Pro to assess its features and determine its suitability for your GIS needs.